So in this lesson, we're going to continue applying linear equations to word problems. We're going to get into ones that are a little more involved than in the first day. Okay, let's take a look. The sum of three numbers is 90. So I know the first number plus second number plus a third number equals 90. Okay? That's from the first sentence, right? So instead of keep writing out first, second, third, I'm going to call the first one x, second one y, and the third one z equals 90. Okay. Next sentence. The second number, so that's y, is, so equals 10 more than the first. Remember the first one is x, right? Okay, so the second one is 10 more than first. So the second one, y, is the first plus 10. Okay, and the third number is, so the third number is z. Z equals 2 times the first. So the first is x, that's 2x. Okay, so now what we'll do, we'll take the second and third equations and substitute into the first. So instead of, well, let's rewrite it over here. I have more room. So we had x plus y plus z equals 90. Okay, the second equation tells me y is equal to x plus 10. So if I get rid of y over here, I can put in x plus 10. The third equation tells me z is equal to 2x, so we can get rid of z and put in 2x. So notice our equation now only involves x. So we have x plus 10 plus 2x equals 90. So combining our like terms, 4x plus 10 equals 90. Solve. 4x is 80. Dividing by 4, x is 20. Okay, but that's not what we're asked. We're asked what are the numbers? And I think that got cut off. What are? Sorry, that apparently got cut off the page. Okay, so the first number is x, right? So the first number is 20. The second number, y is equal to x plus 10. So x was 20, that means y is going to be 30. And then the third is equal to 2 times the first number. We know the first number is 20. So 2 times 20, 40. Those are the answers. All right, number 2. Diane, Ruben, and Austin have a total of $119 in their wallets. So I'm going to write this as D plus R plus A. Or you could use X, Y, and Z, whatever you prefer. I'm just going to use same letters as their names. Equals 119. Diane has $7 less than Austin. So for this one, D equals the amount that Diane has is equal to the amount that Austin has minus $7. So D equals A minus 7. And Ruben has 4 times what Austin has. So Ruben equals Austin times 4, or 4A. Okay, so let's substitute. Instead of R, I'm going to put in 4A. Instead of D, I'm going to put in A minus 7. So we have A minus 7 plus 4A plus A equals 119. So with our like terms, 6a minus 7 equals 119. That's 7 to each side. Okay, let's come up here. 6a equals 126. Divide each side by 6. So a is 21, which means, so that's Austin has 21. The amount that Diane has is a minus 7, 21 minus 7, 14. And the amount that Ruben has, is 4 times A, so that'd be 4 times 21. So Ruben has 84. Okay. Number 3. Ashley, Keith, and John sent a total of 69 text messages during the weekend. So A plus K plus J equals 69. All right. Ashley sent 5 more than Keith. So A equals K plus 5. And then John sent 2 times as many messages as Keith. So the amount that John sent is equal to Keith's messages times 2. There's J equals 2. Okay. All right. So if we substitute that, cross out A, put in K plus 5. And let's cross out J and put in 2K. So good. So we have an equation that only involves K. We have K plus 5 plus K plus 2K equals 69. So 4K plus 5 equals 69. 4K is 64, which means K is 16. So Keith sent 16 texts. A is K plus 5, so A would be 16 plus 5, which is 21. And John sent 2 times Keith, so it's 2 times 16, which is 32.